Hi everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the annoying sound that is coming from my aquarium, specifically from my canister filter. If you hear that, that is very annoying, and it is the first time I hear it. And today I will be finding out what is the root cause of that annoying sound, and to finally resolve it and to make my aquarium silent. So please join me. A week before, I decided to put in a filter wool in my canister filter so that it can also filter out smaller particles compared before. And now I am suspecting that it is the reason for this unusual sound coming from my canister. As such, today I will check inside my canister filter. One tip before removing any connections: put a marking to prevent confusion when reconnecting it back. I first function check the motor pump of my canister filter, and it sounds fine. Now, to check the filter wool I installed last week. And as you can see, it collected a lot of mug just in 1 week. And for this reason, it is now restricting the flow of water in my canister. And since I already opened up the canister filter, might as well give you some tips on doing maintenance of your canister filter. As you can see, I cleaned the mechanical filtration and all the containers using tap water. I don't use any detergent or any chemicals. But for the biological media, I use cold water from the tank. For me, it is not acceptable to do maintenance of canister filter once a week. So I decided to just put back the old setup of mechanical filtration I used to have. Then after this, I will observe for 2 days if the sound recurs again, and if that was the real reason of that annoying sound. After 2 days of observing my tank, I did not hear that annoying sound anymore, drawing me to 2 conclusions. First, do not use filter wool or very fine filter for a canister filter, because it will reduce the flow rate of your canister filter. That's why you hear that annoying sound, which is air instead of water going inside the tank. My original intention was to make my filter more effective by putting it in so that it can filter even the small particles. But effectively, it became the opposite, because it reduced my flow rate, thus my canister filter become less effective as it should be. And that sound is cavitation of the motor pump, which can lead to damage of my impeller if I did not do any action. And second thing is, if you are doing troubleshooting in your tank, one technique is to know what is the last action you did before that anomaly was observed, because most probably it is the reason of why that anomaly came in the first place. So by knowing what was the last action and reversing what you did before, most often it will solve the problem. So I hope this will be helpful for you in the future. Till next time, God bless.